apologize for that. This is to be awarded by Consul Jewel Tigley and Mr. Kyle Lugo.
Alright, congratulations again. Ladies, you deserve it. Grabe no?
Of course.
That is
Congratulations,
just the
guys.
first part.
Of course.
Pagkita na humay Steven. And I know that these beautiful ladies kay nag-prepare nila sila, nag-makeup nila sila, i-abang of gown. So I think they deserve a performance.
Of course.
Someone who will sing for them.
Right.
Kantahan, ladies, para ma-ease ang pain.
Are you guys excited? Kinsay mo serenade? Kinsay mo, ay, ikaw? Ay, sorry. Full fucking state. Anyway, guys, let's get to recognize now for our, to serenade and to give them a song because they deserve it. All of those process. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me call on stage Mr. John Armand Alvarez to serenade them, to give them a heartful song.
And wala din silang kabalo kung sa ang question. So, kani, para makahibaw mo, back to zero atong scoring. So, di ko mag-matter yung score sa first part ha, so back to zero. So, ang mag-matter dyan inyong tubag sa atong mga questions.
Laro ka na, pagbuka na lang question.
Wait, excited ba back to number 1? Ayaw ko mo.
Okay, alright, so once again, we will be calling on candidate number 1. Okay. Yo, Bapak, ako si candidate number 1. Alas kong sino?
Correct. Oh?
Siya ako.
Siya na ka. Pero tinukot to.
Okay, how are you feeling right now? I love your gown. Nothing.
Tinyo juga. We can tinyo kay kami. Anyway, papilihan na ng 1 to 5. So, from 1 to 5, kung sa man yung better?
Number 6.
Number 6? What about the 5? Anyway, seriously, from 1 to 5, what's your favorite number?
Number 1.
Yeah, I like it. Number 1. Anyway, since she picked number 1, you also have number 1. Are you ready? My choice, pero we're ready. Okay, pangandam sabi. Like, pangandam sa dala. Aura sabi, aura. That's it. Anyway, guys, this is now her question. We'll be reading it twice, so listen carefully.
Can you read it twice?
Yes! No. Anyway, we can do it. No problem. But we're gonna do that if you can speak in vernacular, Tagalog, Korean, or whatnot. Any language will do, so long as you're comfortable. Your question is, what is one stereotype about LGBTQIA+ people that you want to break? Again, the question is, what is one stereotype about LGBTQIA+ people that you want to break? You want to read it again? Yeah. So, what is one stereotype about LGBTQIA+ people that you want to break?
I want to break the saying about ang bayot ay para sa partner lamang. Because we are also human beings. We have, and I think that we deserve to have equal rights and equal opportunities, and I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Very well said. Thank you so much. Do not leave your sash.
Okay,
we'll have it
let's
here.
move on. Candidate number 5. All right, pick a number, candidate number 5. Okay, 5 said that you pick me candidate number 5. All right, your question is, what is your personal dream